Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a great German Schnitzel sandwich. Our Kaiser rolls make the perfect host for this sandwich. You will find the recipe in the description below the video. Add mustard, salt, pepper and paprika powder to a small bowl and mix well. Rinse the schnitzels and tap them dry with a paper towel. Then brush the schnitzels on both sides with the marinade. Add flour and breadcrumbs each to a deep plate. To a third deep plate, add the milk and the egg and whisk together. In a large pan, heat lard and butter over medium-high heat. Lightly coat the schnitzel with flour and shake off the excess. Then dip it into the egg mixture and finally into the breadcrumbs. Place the schnitzels into the pan and fry them on each side until golden brown. In the meantime, cut the rolls into halves and spread mayo on one side and mustard on the other. Add the lettuce and pickle and place the warm schnitzel on the roll. Guten Appetit!